the good people of Kebbi Central. Mr. President, Sokoto Badagry Superhighway is a milestone project initiated by Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This project has been on the drawing board for more than 55 years. And it has only come to reality.
How many years?
55 years.
55 years.
It has been on the drawing board for the last 55 years. And I want to tell this hallowed chamber, and indeed Nigerians, that this project is now a reality. I have inspected the project, and I have seen progress that has been made. I'm highly impressed with what I saw. That is standard construction of concrete road, not asphalt road, concrete road, and not only that, the road is also furnished with street light, solar street lights. I witnessed more than 45 kilometers of that road, and more than 250 kilometers of that road is passing through Kebbi State, then going into Niger State, Kwara State, Oyo State, Ogun State, and finally Lagos State. It started from Ilela in Sokoto State. So to us, Mr. President, we must thank Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for initiating this project. It's a project that will change the lives of so many people in the Northwest geopolitical zone, North Central, and even Southwest. It will reduce the distance of traveling by road from Sokoto to Lagos by more than 70%. In less than 6 hours from Sokoto, you can reach Lagos, instead of spending close to about 13 hours. So this is a milestone achievement, and I therefore urge the Senate, immediately the report comes back from the Committee on Local and Foreign Debt, we should expeditiously approve it. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. The thing which I share your opinion. A project of 1,000 kilometers in Nigeria is a game changer economically, and it will also save lives. So I share in your opinion, and I'm happy that you have already traversed the road. So it is not a story, it is also a reality. You've gone over 45 kilometers and 245 kilometers passed through Kebbi State already, and they're heading towards Badagry. So I join you and my colleagues to commend Mr. President that in these difficult times, when we don't really have money, that it is better to borrow for projects. It's better to borrow for infrastructure, so that at the end of the day, we'll have something to see, and then we can pay through even the infrastructure. Repayment can be done through the infrastructure. So this is highly commendable. And I urge the Committee on Local and Foreign Debts to do a job and bring it back to us for expeditious approval. Congratulations for all those in that corridor. But I wish you find a way to curve it towards Calabar. Thank you. Leader of the Senate, Pabio GCN. The Distinguished Senate President requests for the resolution of the National Assembly to approve USD 516,333,007 syndicated financing from Deutsche Bank AG for the construction of the Sokoto Badagry Superhighway Project Sections 1, Phase 1A and Phase 1B. The purpose of this letter is to request the Senate for a resolution of the National Assembly pursuant to the provisions of Sections 16 and 21 of the Debt Management Bureau Establishment Act 2011 for the following. A, approve the syndicated financing from Deutsche Bank in the sum of USD $516 million, $333,000, and 7 United States dollars for the construction of the Sokoto-Badagry Superhighway project, sections 1, phase 1A and 1B. B, approve the inclusion of the financing in the borrowing plan earlier approved by the National Assembly. The Senate is invited to note that Sokoto-Badagry Superhighway is a flagship infrastructure project of the Renewed Hope agenda and designed to open Nigeria's northwest-southwest axis through the construction of an approximately 1,000 kilometers inland dual carriageway, linking Sokoto State, Kebbi State, Niger State, Kwara State, Oyo State, Ogun State, and Lagos State, running from Ilela to Badagry. The project will, 1, improve north-south connectivity, safety, and network performance on the corridor, reduce logistics costs and travel times by providing a continuous high-capacity expressway standard link to downstream markets, strengthen trade facilitation, food security, and national cohesion through improved access between production zones, markets, and the ports. Safeguard long-term intermodal flexibility by reserving the central median for future rail integration and accommodating utility corridors. The proposed financing arrangement consists of syndicated financing of the amount earlier mentioned to be secured via Deutsche Bank AG, via a partial guarantee cover from ICIEC, that is Islamic Development Bank Insurance Arm, Federal Government of Nigeria counterpart funding of 265,542,689 689,569 naira, and then 50 kobo as part of the land acquisition, compensation, and support infrastructure, etc. The tenor and interest of the rates, a tenor of 9 years with grace period up to 3 years inclusive, not exceeding the applicable Chicago Mercantile Exchange CME SOFR plus 5.3 per annum. The proposal is for the Senate to approve the financing arrangement and terms as set out in paragraph 3 above, which have also been approved by the Federal Executive Council. Based on the foregoing, I wish to request for the resolution of the National Assembly to 1, approve the syndicated financing from Deutsche Bank in the sum of 516,333,007 United States dollars for the construction of the Sokoto-Badagry Superhighway projects sections 1 and phase 1A and 1B. Total number of kilometers, 120 kilometers. Approve the inclusion of the financing in the borrowing plan. A specimen of the resolution required is attached as an extra 1 for ease of reference. While I look forward to the timely issuance of the resolution by the Senate, please accept, distinguished Senate President and distinguished Senators, the assurances of my highest regards. Signed, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I see the hand of my leader, Senator Aliru, up, but this is This letter from Mr. President is hereby referred to the Committee on Local and Foreign Debts to work on it and refer to the Senate within the next possible 1 week. Yes.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.